everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to give you a tour of my plant room and show you how I keep these windows squeaky clean. Shade-loving plants are positioned at the entrance of my room, where direct sunlight doesn't reach the leaves of ferns and dieffenbachs. On this table I often change the arrangement of the plants. Usually it consists of one flowering phalaenopsis orchid and several trailing plants. Today I have Rhipsalis and Hoya displayed. Closer to the window but under the ceiling there is a row of flowering Hoyas such as Hoya bella alba marginata and Hoya crinkle, and beneath the window a mix of orchids and aroid plants. My Alocasia cerean has emerged from its winter dormancy, and the pride of this corner is the Stramante trio star. One of my favorite plants with heart-shaped leaves is the Anthurium clarinarium. I will quickly show you the rest of the plants in the room, because the main goal for today is to clean this central window. I have already showcased detailed plant tours in separate videos, and I will provide links to them in the description below this video. And here we are, approaching the central southern window in my plant room. On both the right and left sides, the window is surrounded by plants, as this is the brightest spot in the room. On the left side, I won't be able to clear space or move the table to access the window because the asparagus fern has extended its shoots and wrapped around the table frame, reaching out towards the window. Therefore, I will remove the plants from the right side and move the table away from the window on that side. I won't unload the tabletop as it holds around 50 orchids. Instead, I'll try to slide it along with the plants. I will temporarily move the large floor standing plants to the other end of the room. These include cotton candy, Epicea strawberry mist and Pilea moon valley. The Candia palm has always been and remains my dream plant, but unfortunately it doesn't thrive in this corner. I'll trim the dried leaf and tie the remaining ones into a bunch before moving it away from the window. I will also remove a few more plants that are not afraid of direct sunlight from the windowsill. These include the funny Dracena tornado and the sun-blushing Rhipsalis ramulosa red coral that has paled due to a cloudy week in the northern Germany. The last plants that are getting in the way of cleaning the window are the Rhipsalis boliviana and the saw blade cactus epiphyllum. I had to call upon some trusty assistants to help me move the hefty table. When it comes to window cleaning, my secret weapon is a steam-powered superhero. I don't use chemical cleaners, just plain water. In the room with plants it gets damp and cold during winter, and condensation on the windows and frames can lead to harmful mold growth. In the past I used a hydrogen peroxide spray. However, the mold would quickly return and my eyes would react painfully to the spray. After purchasing a steam cleaner, I experienced a sense of relief in taking care of my home, and I am pleased with the results. Both my plants and my cat rejoice in the light streaming through the sparkling windows. While I clean the windows, I'd like to show you 3 plants up close from this table. Hanging from the railing is a variegated Hoya vayeti with a single inflorescence. Its regular green form, on the other hand, has produced 11 inflorescences, with 5 of them in full bloom. On the table right below that Hoya, the variegated Hoya multiflora is proudly displaying its blossoms. While it bloomed throughout the winter, it was during the summer that the variegated Hoya multiflora truly flourished, showcasing stunning leaves without any imperfections. The right side of the window is spotless. I remove my indoor palm tree from the left side of the windowsill, along with the ficus bellis. I have significantly shortened this video to avoid tiring you. Of course, it took me much more time than 5 minutes to clean these windows thoroughly. Creating and maintaining this plant room has been a labor of love. It's a space that brings me joy, peace, and a sense of connection with nature. I hope this tour and the window cleaning routine have inspired you to create your own plant heaven at home. Thank you so much for joining me today on this tour. Give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more plant related content. Until next time, happy indoor gardening!